Hi guys, I have errands as usual and I washed my hair. I'm going to dry it later, but I'm going to do a quick makeup look. My skin routine is done, my sunscreen is done, but I'll still use some moisturizer before makeup. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Water Cream. I use a few different products for my face, as in when whichever is in front of me, I use it. But always use something that suits you. I like using a lip plumper or a gloss. Make sure you use that before makeup, because whether it's your face or your lips, both should be moisturized before makeup. I'll go in with my concealer. Only wherever required. Pack 219 brush. You can use a sponge as well, whatever is convenient to you. I'll straight go in with my powder foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix and this is the Pack 261 brush. Find any dry foundation of your choice. It's great for daily makeup. I'll comb my eyebrows out a bit. Then I'm going to use this gel so it stays in place. I'm using the Huda New Nude palette. Use any palette of your choice, just something with neutral shades. I'm going to go in with this shade. This is the Pack 217 brush and I'll just apply it on my upper eyelid. This is to contour my eyes. Take it up to your crease line. Go higher up if you have hooded eyes. Whatever's left on your brush, bring it down. I'm taking a kajal. This is by K Beauty, the black kajal. I'm going to put it on my upper eyelid and smudge it out. The line I'm creating now does not need to be neat. This is the Pack 208 brush and I'm just going to soften this line. It's going to also give you kind of a smoky effect. Please follow just the technique and use brands of your choice. And if you want to get the things that I'm using, then I'm captioning them. You'll get them online. Just Google it. Now whatever's left on this brush, I'll just use it on my outer lower lash line. Sometimes there's enough product left on your brush, so you don't need to take more and you can use it on your lower lids. Curl your lashes if you want to. Complete your eye makeup with a mascara. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Bounce Mascara. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer and gives me an even surface to work on. I have it. A lot of you also might have pigmented lips. It really helps. This lip liner is called Fame by K Beauty. It's a nice shade to basically contour your lips. This color is Stunt by Color Bar. I'll contour a little. a mild blush. I'm not going to contour my face because it's just daily makeup and I'm going to be going out for a bit. If you want the eyes to look a little more intense, you can fill out your waterline. You can bring it all the way in if you want, but I'm just keeping it half. It's really up to you, depending on the kind of look you like. Because it's makeup of madness, it's about what suits you. A little bit of highlighter so that the skin looks nice. I like it. Use any highlighter of your choice. Gives you a bit of that dewy look. Touch up your powder foundation if required. Now my makeup is done. I'll dry my hair and I'll take some pictures outside. Till then, take care and stay glam.